I've been testing Manus AI, the latest autonomous agent gaining attention in 2025, and honestly, it feels like a major leap beyond traditional AI tools. Unlike typical assistants that rely heavily on prompts and step-by-step guidance, Manus is designed to take initiative. It listens, plans, and executes tasks on its own, making it feel more like a digital partner than a chatbot. Created by a startup that's been pushing the limits of AI automation, Manus stands out with its ability to handle multi-step, complex workflows. Whether it's building a website, drafting reports from large data sets, or planning out an entire project roadmap, Manus doesn't just assist, it acts. It supports text, image, and code generation, and connects with external tools like browsers or databases to get real work done, not just answer questions. What's really impressive is that it's performed exceptionally well in AI benchmarks, even outperforming some of the top names in the space. But it's not perfect. Some users have reported stability issues like occasional crashes and server timeouts, especially during peak hours. And while it runs on a credit-based model, which offers flexibility, costs can stack up quickly if you're using it often. Right now, access is still limited and invite-only, and there are also some discussions around data privacy due to its origin, something to keep in mind. If you're looking for an AI tool that doesn't just respond, but actually takes over complex digital tasks with minimal input, Manus AI is definitely one to watch. It's powerful, forward-thinking, and it could redefine how we use AI for productivity. But as always, weigh the pros and cons before diving in. If you found this review helpful, give it a like, share it with someone curious about AI agents, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.